How to fix login errors on Uber Eats. If you want to fix login errors on the Uber Eats app, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is, first of all, you want to make sure it's not the issue with the internet. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Then if you're using on Android, you can actually open up settings. Then from the settings section, you want to simply go ahead and then go to the apps section that you can see. From the apps section, you want to simply go ahead and then search for the Uber Eats app. Then from there, you want to simply scroll, go to the option called storage. From the bottom, you can see clear cache or clear data. So depending on what you want, you can tap on this clear data and delete all of the data of the app. You can also go to your respective Play Store or your App Store. Check if the Uber Eats app have an update available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Last but not the least, you could be facing the issues due to the incorrect credentials. So you want to make sure that your login information is actually correct. Now you can also log in directly if you are logged in on the main Uber app and not the Uber Eats. You can select that, but you can tap on the use another account button right here. It will ask you if it's a phone number. If not, then just select next. Then after that, you can choose to continue with email, Apple or Google ID. In case you happen to forget your credentials, then you can enter your phone. It will send a verification code to your phone number. Similarly, also with your email, but if you can, then if you have linked it with your Google or anything, then you should also be able to log in with those Google account. And I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.